If someone insults you, pause for a second and look at them, and say, "Are you okay?" Works every time. Psychology tricks that 95% of people learn too late. If you're in an argument, keep your voice calm. It'll give them the impression that you're winning the argument. Would you prefer to stink for 24 hours or kiss the third person that appears when you click on share? And then on WhatsApp, when asking for a favor from someone, always open with "I need your help." It greatly increases your chances of getting that favor done, because people don't like the guilt of not helping someone out. Good posture increases confidence. Spread your body out and take up more space to look more confident. If you want to get rid of your bad habits without nicotine or vapor, check the link in my bio, comment "I tricked," and let your autocorrect finish the sentence. I will pin the most liked comment. If you want someone to agree with you, nod while you talk. This gets the other person to nod too, and they begin to subconsciously think they agree with you. If you think someone is lying, look at their eyes and don't say anything.